back to Justin and Justin on TV.
So today we will be showing you Nerf gun and having a Nerf gun battle.
Yay! And then the kids team gonna win. Kids
So
team.
it's kids versus dad, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is my Nerf gun. It's the Avengers Force.
It can hold 6 bullets.
Yes.
This is the Elite 2.0 Nerf Commander. It's really good. I like it. This is my favorite sniper. It's called Alpha Strike. Really good. This is a Nerf Elite Disruptor. We actually have 2 of these.
They're twins, guys.
I
Just like you guys.
Yeah, that's why we brought them.
Also, we got this Fortnite AR. Oh, damn it. Whoa,
yeah, that's why I can't even hold it, guys.
Okay, so
This
if
can
this is
hold
open,
10 bullets.
it can hold 10 bullets. If this is open just a little bit, it won't work. If you close it all the way, it'll start revving up. It needs 2 AA batteries, and this is how you get to the batteries. You have to screw this up, and then you can put in or take out the old batteries. And you can adjust this to what you want your aim to be like.
You see what I'm doing, bro?
Uh-oh. I like this one. It can hold 6 bullets. It's really fast. You can pull back really quick. And then we got this Clash Combat ink wand for her.
It's mine.
It's really fun. It's really good.
It's
And also we got this Nerf Elite Joel.
That's Justin's favorite.
So guys.
Also, this is my favorite bow and arrow.
But guys, be careful because it can hurt somebody.
It has a whistling sound. And this is another Alpha Strike series.
Oh, it's okay.
Boom.
Whoa, shoot right.
Alright guys, so
That's our guns, and now we have to set up for the Nerf battle.
but before we do so, we got these bunkers from Target. If you're looking for bunkers, you can get them from Target. You can also buy them offline. The guns, the Nerf gun bullets, and these bunkers in the middle to start. We're going to retreat to our location, and then we're going to count to 3, and then whoever grab whatever in the middle, that's what it starts with. All right, guys, let's go.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's move on.
Oh,
Nerf guns.
Nerf guns.
We all have 100 bullets here.
Yeah.
My favorite sniper, I'm going to put it near my side.
Don't hide it. We can't hide things. Come on, Bean.
These are my
I'm gonna
team.
get this Nerf. This is so heavy, guys.
Baby, woo!
Okay, guys, are we ready?
Yeah.
So, we retreat to our location, and on the count of 3, we are going to meet in the middle. Whatever Nerf gun, bullets, or bunker you grab, you're going to retreat back to your base, and then start shooting. Are we ready?
Yeah.
First of all, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Back up, Dad. That's a little too close.
I'm too close?
Yeah.
How about I go all the way that way?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
On your march.
Set.
And 3, 6, and go!
Get
Oh, Justin. Oh, yes. Oh boy. I'm on the seat. Can you guys help me? I need help. I need help. Okay. I'm reloaded.
Whoever hits the next shot wins. Run! Run! You're gonna hit him with a ball. This is it. Whoever gets shot. So I'm gonna shot on everybody. That has to eliminate all three of us, and we have to eliminate him. He has 3 shots, and we have 1. Heads up.
Jesus Christ! I can't even see.
Oh, yes, I got Derek. Uh-oh. Since he's eliminated, only Justin left.
No, I don't want to be eliminated.
Derek is eliminated. No.
I'm still standing up.
Oh, Justin almost got